So Cebu there, and that one we call what hotel? Kawang Hotel. Panama Hotel. So after I see this, God, I don't understand because I never buy things in website. I never. But I see this only 825 ringgit. Then I start my own business. Then in this business, I see another thing. If I cannot build my groups, I still won't make growth because of the daily sales. I still can get my money. But if I can build the groups, only red team and blue team, two teams. If these two things I can build it, then I believe 3 months time I can make 5-figure income. And then within 1 year time, maybe I'm a millionaire. So I have an opportunity to become a millionaire. That's why I don't know how to do, but I dare to learn. So that's why this trip I go to. All the way I know Mr. Billy, our CEO, go to Sabah, I go to Sabah, I ask everyone. I met these people I all met already or not. I ask them how you make it. You see, let's do it. How you make it? Don't know, let's do it. So it's simple. It's really simple. So it brings me confidence. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.